Hello, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, I am so glad you find me because today's video is going to save your wig's life literally. Now, I know a lot of us have that one wig. Yes, that's one. She used to be the one. She was your everything, your date night, your events, your everyday look, your party. She used to be the one. But what happened? Now she looks so tired. Now she look rough. You can't even take her out again. Now she is really tired and you have been trying to bring her back at home, trying all sorts of things, washing, deep conditioning, steaming, and you've tried all you can, but still, she's not coming back to life. Wait, don't worry. I'm about to change that for you in this video.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Diary of a Hair Lover, a channel where you get to learn more about hair styling, hair care products, hair installation, and many more. Do where to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comment section if this is your first time of seeing my video so I can give you a shout out in my next video.
Today, I want to talk about 3 specific signs that your wig have gone past that your DIY revamping you want to do in your house. Your wig has gone past that. It needs professional handling. So these are the signs that will make you know that yes, your wig need professional handling. But first, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this moment to do that. It doesn't cost you anything. Just click on the subscribe button, like this video, and you can share to your friend, your family, your girlie, your best friend. I mean, every girlie needs this video. You really need to watch this video. So share to them, share to your loved ones, and drop a comment in the comment section. If you have question, kindly go to the comment section and pour out your mind. Say anything. I'll be right there to reply all your messages. Now, before I get into the signs, I want to say this first. There is absolutely no shame in having a wig that has reached that stage. Please do not be ashamed. We humans get tired also sometimes, so our wig gets tired as well. So do not be ashamed if your wig has gotten to that stage, because there is hope. Wig go through things. They go through a lot of things. They are always washed. They are always flat iron, coiled, applying different products on them. They go through a lot. So it's okay for them to be tired. It's okay for them to get tired. The problem is most of us really have to stop treating our wig like they just need to be deep conditioned and that's all, they are fine. No, they are not. We need to start recognizing that she needs professional intervention. And that delay, that is what takes your wig from she can be saved to she cannot be saved anymore. And we do not want that, especially when you spend good money on that unit. Sign number 1, your wig is severely dry, so frizzy, and has completely lost her shine, and no product is helping anymore. Now I want you to hear the second part of that sentence clearly, because this is the key. Almost every wig will get dry and frizzy at some time. Yes, it's okay for them to get dry and frizzy at some time. You deep condition, you use good leave-in, you seal with an oil, she bounce back, and that's the cycle. That's healthy wig maintenance, right? But what I'm talking about right now is when you've done all of that. You've done the treatment you can, the steaming, the deep conditioning, you've done everything you can, and she still looks like she's been through hell. When the hair feels rough and coarse, no matter what you put on it, no matter the products, no matter how expensive it is. When the shine is completely gone and she just look lifeless. So what's actually happening here is that the hair cuticle, which are like a very tiny overlapping scales along the hair shaft, are severely lifted or damaged. When the hair is healthy, those cuticle lie flat. They are very flat. That is what makes your hair, very shine, very smooth, very glossy and whole. They lay flat. But after repeated heat, chemical processing, different washing, different handling, different environment, dust, and all, after repeated all of that on that same hair, those cuticle get damaged and stay open. It won't be flat anymore. It stayed open. And when the cuticles are open, there is no amount of deep conditioning you put at home that is going to make it get flat. There's no amount of products you can put that is going to make it look the way it used to be. So now this is exactly where a professional treatment makes a difference. This is the difference between professional wig revamping and DIY wig revamping. You might think, oh, it's just to condition, it's just no, it's beyond that. Revamping is beyond that, especially when your wigs get to this stage I'm talking about. A professional can do things like keratin or protein treatments, which actually penetrates into your hair. So when it penetrates, it closes back those cuticles, it closes them back and bring back that shine, that silkiness. They can also do a professional deep steam conditioning treatment with heat that opens and then properly close the cuticle in a way that a home steamer just can't do the job. Wig that has professional treatment and the one that is being treated at home is just like a day and night. The difference, it's so obvious. It's really obvious. So if you've tried all the products on your wig, you've tried all the method you can on your wigs at home, and your wig is still looking the same, it's not giving you that vibe anymore, it's not looking the way it was when you first bought it, this is a sign that your wigs need professional handling. You need to send it over to a professional to get it done for you. Sign number 2, and honestly this one is actually the one that gives the game away. Your knots are showing, your lace is lifting, and no matter how much adhesive you apply, it's not looking like it's coming out of your scalp. So let me break this down, because there are actually 3 separate issues that often happen all together. First, the knots. When a lace is made, each individual hair is tied in a tiny knot at the lace. When a wig is new, those knots are usually bleached, so they actually blend into your skin, your scalp. But over time, through washing, rubbing, and general wear, that bleach fades and the knots become visible again. What you start seeing is a tiny dark dot along the hairline. Especially in the light, it makes a wig look constructed and not natural, and we don't want that. A professional can bleach the knots carefully without over processing the lace, which is a very real risk if you try to do it all by yourself at home without the right knowledge or products. Second, the lace itself. The lace is delicate. After repeated, gluing, cleaning, wearing, and all sorts of things you do to your lace, after you've done all those things repeatedly on your lace, it deteriorates, it loses elasticity, it gets stiff and start to fray at the edge. And you might notice it doesn't mold to your hairline the way it used to. And in some cases, the lace actually tear. So a professional can assess the lace and advise you on what is best to do. Either repair a small area that is damaged, or in more significant places, do a partial lace replacement. So that's basically attaching a new lace to that area. Yeah. This completely restores the natural hairline appearance. Third, the overall hairline shape. Over time, the hair at the hairline can thin out, break off, or become sparse. Maybe you've had the wig customized before and the cut no longer suits you. A professional can add baby hair back. A professional can customize, can change the look for you. Look, I know some of you are watching this and thinking, I can just put more glue on it and it's going to be fine. Technically, you can, but you are just making the problem worse. You are not fixing, you are not solving the problem. So every time you apply more glue on a damaged lace, you are making it worse. So let a professional get in there before you lose your lace completely. Sign number 3, and this one genuinely makes me so emotional to watch. Your wig is matting, tangling at the weft, and excessively shedding. Let me describe what matting actually looks like, because sometimes people confuse it with just tangling. Tangling is different from matting. When a wig gets tangled, you can actually easily work your way through it. You apply your leave-in, you apply water, and all with patience, you can actually, detangle and get it done. But when your wig is matted, the strands are physically locked together. Your hair has strands. Every of your hair is made with is full of strand. They are all strand of hair that makes a whole hair, right? So when your hair is matted, those strands get locked together. that you won't be able to separate them. And in most cases, when you're washing your wigs at home and your hair is matted, what do? You take your scissors and cut it away, which is not supposed to be so. If you give your hair to a professional, that is not going to happen, because a professional knows how he or she is going to detangle, it's going to dissolve that locked in strands. Now, the shedding. Some shedding is completely normal in some wigs. Yet, I am not saying all wigs shedding means there is a cause of alarm. Not all shedding is a cause of alarm, but there are some shedding that is actually a cause of concern for your wigs. And this is excessive shedding, where you pull out handful of hair every time you're styling your wigs. You are combing it out, you are doing one or two things on your hair, and you keep pulling out very full, huge hairs from your hair, from your wigs. That is a structural issue, because the thread holding the weft together is actually breaking down. The glue on the track is deteriorating. So a professional can actually seal the hair back, which essentially reinforces the base of each track so the hair stop releasing, it stop shedding. They can also do an internal wig repair, where the cap construction is assessed and any broken or weakened area are reinforced. This procedure can literally double the lifespan of your wig. And finally, the end. When a wig has been through a lot of heat and styling, end becomes split, thin and scraggly. A professional trim, not just a home snip you do. A proper cut with the right shears by who knows the hair. Remove the dead ends and make the entire wig look new and full again. She's not dead, she just needs professional hand. Okay, so I have been talking about these signs for a reason, because I hear from so many of you in my comments and in my DMs that your wigs are damaged. What do I do? How can I do this? How can I do that? Or some of you even say that I spent so much money on this unit and now I don't know how to fix it. Girl, I've been quietly working on something. I am so excited right now to share with you guys. I will be launching my professional wig revamp service. And I mean full revamp. We are talking deep conditioning and protein treatment for damaged hair, not rebleaching and lace repair for those struggle hairlines, weft sealing, wig reconstruction, rewigging, new wigging, styling, name it, everything. I am not ready to give all the details just yet, but it's coming very soon. So here is what I need you to do right now. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Turn on your notification and comment below revamp me. So I'm going to know exactly who needs this service when it drops. And if you know someone whose wig is giving out those signs we talked about today, send this video to them. You might literally be saving their units. And with that being said, I'm going to see you on the next one. Take care of yourself and take care of your wigs. Bye.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do also click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget, if this is your first time of seeing my video, let me know in the comment section so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Bye.